I want to give you 4 tips on how to get the best headshot for your business, for your social media, and just for yourself. First tip is hire a professional. If you're a photographer, whether you've been doing it for a long time or you're new to the business, I would highly encourage you to get another photographer to take your headshot photos. It's super important that you don't have to worry about this stuff. Also, having another person to do all their work, all their magic, and capture the photos will take stress off of your plate and will hopefully help you get the perfect shot. Sometimes going outside of your comfort zone and hiring someone else will produce incredible results. Never forget that. The first tip is hire a professional photographer. The second tip is about having the right technology, like lighting. It is so important that if you're setting up headshots for your business, for yourself, and just in general, that you have the proper equipment. And lighting is everything, just as important as the glass in the lenses and the bodies on the cameras. Lighting will determine if your shots are great or not so great. So lighting, make sure you have the perfect lighting for your headshot. Third is about style. It is super important that you embrace your style, your brand, and all the things that you do in your photo session. It's super important that you reflect your personality and your setups are in line with who you are, what you do, and the brand that you carry. Fourth tip is about posing. It is super important that you have the proper poses and that you have different variations to your overall shots, whether it's different color backgrounds or different positions when you actually do your photo session. Having a couple variations of each picture, maybe a change of outfits, is so important because you might be able to use different photos in different ways for different applications. And while you're getting your shots done, why not just get a second shot with a different maybe outfit change or background color or just pose position? It'll allow you to stretch the opportunity a little bit further. These are some of the things that we think about when we do headshots each and every year at SCE Event Group, and I hope you enjoyed this fresh tip for DJs and small business owners from your boy, Jason Jani. Be on the lookout for more tips dropping right here on this channel in days, weeks, and months ahead, and I appreciate you checking this out.